Hello my friends, welcome to our books. Today I am going to review CBSE sample question papers book for class 10 that is introduced by the Oswald publication. The subjects are Maths Standard, English Language and Literature, Science and Social Science. So the first the book that I am going to review is Maths, and from that you will be able to understand how other books are. See, let me tell you about the basic benefits of this book. You will get 5 solved and 5 self-assessment papers. 5 solved means fully solved, and 5 self-assessment papers means the question papers will only contain hints, means the answer paper will only contain hints to some questions not fully solved. Then you will get MCQs in a type of standalone, assessment reason and case based. Then you will get answers with proper explanation and OMR sheets after each sample question paper. Then you will get academically important questions for board exam, mind maps and quick notes, tips notes for quick revision. Okay, so let's start. The first you will be able to get mind maps and tips notes. This you will get chapter wise. Then you will get total 10 question papers. Okay, so the first one that you are getting is the one published by the CBSE board. You will be getting its marking scheme also. Then in total you are getting 10 questions paper. See, this is 5, this is 5, 10, and after that 5 question solutions of the 5 question papers. These are just the solved part. Here you are getting the 5 question papers. The first one is published by the CBSE. So this is the one, and you are getting its CBSE marking scheme also here only. And the rest 2, 3, 4, 5, this question paper solution you are getting here. 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are all unsolved. You will get just only some hints to these questions, but these are mostly unsolved. Most of the questions are unsolved. These are all also called self-assessment papers, and these are for revision. So let's start. So these are all the quick revision mind maps part. You will get it chapter wise. Then it is the quick revision part. There is a tips note. This also you will get chapter wise. And then this is the first question paper. This is the one published by the CBSE board, CBSE only, in its official website. So it is completely following the CBSE new pattern. So don't worry. So you are able to see that the question paper contains section A, section B and section C. Section A contains 20, section B contains 20 and section C contains 10 questions. And in section A you have to attempt 16 questions. In section B you have to attempt 16, and in section C you have to attempt 8 questions, and there is no negative marking. So this is the official paper. You must have visited this one in the website only. So let me go to the main question paper that is prepared by this publication. This is the sample question paper number 2, and this question paper is made by the Oswald publication only. Here you will get academically important AI questions. They are very much important, and this is also following the same pattern as the CBSE sample paper is following. See, all this same pattern, all MCQ based questions, all MCQ based questions, and it is also divided into section A, section B and section C. Section C contains 2 case based questions where you have to attempt only 8 questions, and at last you will be getting 1 OMR sheet after each question paper, so that you can do and solve here and only. Okay, you will see one question and solve it here only. For this, OMR sheet has been provided after each question paper. And the solutions, where you are getting these solutions, you are getting this solution at the last. This is the solutions of the sample question paper number 2. All the solutions have been given, and of all questions also. Of every question you are getting the solution. and these are all explained solutions. You will get proper explanation part also. So the in first 5 question papers you are getting solutions, and in the next 5 question papers you are not getting the solutions. That is for self-assessment paper. Okay, this is how the 10 question papers are divided in this book. This is same for all subjects also. Let me tell you about the price of this book. Price is rupees 199, and it is for maths. In science the price is 229, in English the price is 199, and in social science the price is 229, and everything is same. You will get 10 sample question papers. The first sample question paper is the one provided by the CBSE, and then 2, 3, 4, 5 is the question paper, made by this publication only, and but you will be getting proper solutions, and after that the 5 question paper that you are getting, you will not get any solution. That are self-assessment papers. These are strictly following the CBSE pattern and are made for the term 1 exam for the session 2021 to 2022. These are for class 10, and the 4 subjects that you are getting, I have already told you: math, science, English and social science. Let me show you the science book also. The science book also contains the same total 10 question paper. The first question paper is the one issued by the CBSE board, and then in 2, 3, 4, 5 you are getting solutions, and after that in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you are not getting the solutions. Okay, in this let me tell you one thing. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this 5 question paper, you will not getting any solution, means you will not getting any proper explained solutions. You will get the solutions. You can see that scratch the unique code which is given at the back of the title access of self-assessment papers. Means suppose I am going to this question paper 84 to 91 page. If I am going to this question paper, this one, at the last it is written scratch below for your unique code to access self-assessment paper solution. If you are scratching this, you will get a unique code. Then you have to go to Oswal website, then you have to put this code, and you will get the solutions of the self-assessment papers. But there are not explained solutions, there are only the answer, not explained. And in first 5 you will get explanation, and in the second 5 you will not get explanation, but you will get answers. Okay, for this you have to scratch this code and you will get the unique code. Just use this code in the Oswal website and you will get the solutions. And this is how the English and social science books also looks. They contain 10 question papers, and let me tell you about the question standard. The sample question papers are very good, and they are up to the mark also. So the buying link is in the description box. Go and check it out. I have also told you about the price. In the pinned comment also you will get the buying link. If you're facing any query, then their customer care number is given in the description box. You can contact them also. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, like this video, share this video and comment down below your query. Thank you.